while, Power BI will make a connection to the web page. And after some more time, it will show the set of tables that I can select from. You can select any of those. I'm going to take this one, click on it, and then you see that Preview will be evaluating that data. Again, that can take some time. All right, so now we see the table, and it looks pretty much that this is the data we want to use. But because we want to make a few changes to the data, rather than type click load, I'm going to click transform data, and that after a while will take me to the Power Query editor. Okay, so here we are. Here's our Power Query editor. And then what we're going to want to do is make some changes. First of all, Appendix A is not a good name, so we're going to change that to prison data. You see that changes it here as well. Second thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to remove some of the columns. So let's wait till this finishes. Then we can choose the columns we want. The only ones we want to keep are county, state, total population, total white population, total black, total Latino, incarcerated, incarcerated white, incarcerated black, and incarcerated Latino. So we say OK here. And that will, again, eventually remove those columns. And then, because we're only interested in Florida, we're going to filter here. So deselect all and then select Florida. And then again, eventually, we should get only the data for the 62 counties, or however many there are in Florida. Okay, now one more step. It turns out that when you look at the website, you'll see that there are a few symbols to the right of each column name, and they show up in the field names that we use here as well. So I right-clicked on total population, then rename, and you see there are some spaces here that I'm going to want to remove. I'm going to want to do that for county, for state, and for all of the other columns as well. Now, I'm not going to do that on camera because that's going to take forever. Once I've done that, the only other thing I need to do is I need to do the close and apply, because that will actually load all of the data into my Power BI data model.